What's in your bag? Written and illustrated by Jung-hae Young, Kidari Publishing Company.
열차가 들어오고 있습니다. 손님 여러분께서는 한 걸음 물러서 주시기 바랍니다.
I'm bored. What's in your bag? I want to look. It's all for the baby.
The baby needs lots of things, still so small.
I'm big now, so I put my own things in my own bag.
Wow, June, you really do so much by yourself.
Mom, don't you have anything of yours?
Sure, my wallet is right here.
What's in your bag?
If you can count to 3, I'll show you.
1, 2, 3. All book? Did you draw this?
Yes, I draw when I'm bored. I want to be an artist someday.
I like drawing too. You even drew on your books.
Don't copy that part, okay?
Look, I see something. Excuse me, what's in your bag?
That's a secret.
Haha, please show me.
All right, just a peek.
A gun.
Nope, it's my drill. It goes burr burr. I'll make a lamp and decorate my new house.
Sounds fun. I want to try too.
When you're as strong as me, you can.
Are these snacks?
They're food for stray cats.
Wow, that's big. What's in your bag?
Want to guess?
It's soft and squishy. What is it? Why so many clothes?
I'm going to sell all these clothes at my shop. I need to work hard and save up to buy a house.
I sold toys at a flea market once and bought a doghouse.
Wow, you've already bought your puppy a house? That's amazing.
These would look pretty on Mom.
You're such a thoughtful son.
Shall I show you my bag too?
Yes, please. Grandma, what's in your bag?
Let's see. Ta-da! A harmonica.
Can you play it?
Of course. I'll even perform with my friends.
I want to hear.
I'll play on a glittering stage someday.
Yummy candy.
It's good when you have a cough.
Wow, your bag has wheels. What's inside?
Have a guess.
Whoa, what's this?
This is a book for curious kids like you. I brought it so the story would feel real.
The kids will love it.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
I know this story.
So you like books?
Want to see my bag too? Sure. What's in yours? In my bag. Lots of stickers and toys. Oh, I have those too. I'll show you mine. See, we've got lots of the same stuff. They really are the same. Let's play together. Great idea. Is this strawberry flavor? Yes. Here, take this. I'll give you one too.
June, time to get off.